Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can create private server in Roblox. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Roblox account. Okay, so just come to the home. Okay, roblox.com home. Here you need to find out that game where you want to create server. So just select that, this one. Okay, just open that game. Now come to the server. Under the server, here you can see this option called create private server, and here you can see the price. This server is free. Okay, but some servers has Roblox, which is between 20 to 25. Okay, it depends. Okay, so this is server is free, so you can create here. Go to the create. Here you need to give that server name and just buy now. Okay, it is free, so just click on buy now. After you create, just come to the refresh. Here you can server. Now it is join, maximum people is 4. You can join it, and here under the three dot option you can go to the configurations. Okay, so this is allow joining, means is active. Okay, it is free, and if you don't want to active this group or that server, you need to just disable it. Okay, then nobody can allow to join. Okay, it will be inactive. Okay, so the server has been created. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.